going to be with you in today's lesson. But before we go further, let's read this first. God made the dog, the frog, and the hog. God made the ox, the fox, and the cock. God, dog, hog, fox. These are words with short O sound. Today, kids, we will learn more about the words with short O sound. O, O, O. That is the short O sound. Here are more objects that has a short O sound. O, O. Lock. Socks. Cup. Cot. Box. There you are, objects with short O sound. Now let's write and read some words with short O sound. Top. Rot. Nut. Hot. This time, we are going to write the missing short vowel sound. Listen carefully. Pan. 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 What short vowel sound is missing? It's the letter A. You are right. Let's read it again. Pan. Bean. 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 What short vowel sound is missing? I. Yes, you are right. It's the letter I. Good job. Let's read it again. Bean. Set. 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 What short vowel sound is missing? Letter E. Yes, it's right. Let's read it again. Set. Set. You are doing great, kids. Won. Won.